Now, one way of also creating a table, especially if it's a very long table, you can decide to divide the table into three, which is the head, the table head, the body, which is the table body, and then also the last, which is the table footer. While the table head is going to take headings, okay, the column headings, and then the body contains the actual figures or whatever content you want, whilst the border takes, let's say, the total, or let's say a discount you have given or something. Let's go to our code editor and try and then figure out what I actually mean. Now this is a table that has what? The T head, which is what? The table head, T body, which is what? The table body, and then T foot, which is what? The table foot. This is a 3-column table. These are the headings: dates, income, and expenditure. And we have 1st July. These are for the rows: 1st July, 2nd July, and 3rd July. And the data in 1st July to 250. That means 250 for the income, and then 36 for the expenditure. 1st July for the date. Okay, this is the date, 1st July, another date, another date. Okay, and this is also, this is for income, expenditure, income, expenditure, income, expenditure. Now at the foot, okay, you can do an empty cell. This becomes the total, because we don't have a total for date. Let me just write total, okay, to represent the totals for the income. This is total for expenditure. The values are wrong though, but it's just an example so you understand. Let's save it and then go to our browser and refresh. And this is the table we just created, which is the date, okay, income, and expenditure. So 1st July, income was 250, expenditure was this. 2nd July, 3rd July, and these are the total. Okay, you'll be wondering what's the difference between using this approach and then using the previous approaches. Now, when you are using the T head, the T body, and the T foot, what it does is that, let's say when the table is so long that is able to, let's say, cover one whole page, okay, a very long table. Let's say you have from 1st July to 31st July, okay, for instance, it is possible that it will cross our screen. When it crosses our screen, in that situation, these headers, okay, will still be displayed, whilst this becomes the dates and the income and expenditure. This date becomes scrollable, so we will be able to what? To scroll it. Okay, that is why this approach is very, very important. If the table is too long and it's able to cross one page, so the browser will still keep date, income, and expenditure on top whilst you are scrolling. Imagine you have all this one for a year, each day, that is 365. So you have 365 rows to go through. It is bound to cross every screen page. So it is important to use this style so that the date, income, and expenditure will still be at the top while you are scrolling through the other details.